This project is a perfect example of an integrated joint project, which makes it deserve a real-life site implementation that will be one of the foundations for new circular concrete applications. For this purpose, a prototype building was planned to be constructed in Ankara, Turkey. The site was selected within the campus of Beytepe, Hacettepe University, among the forest of Beytepe. So it will be in harmony with the green concept of this project, where eco-friendly geopolymer concrete with 100% construction demolition wastes was used. We started first with the foundation of the building. Firstly, a thin layer of gravel was laid on top of the soil in order to obtain a flat and workable environment. Then, a mat foundation was constructed. The base plates that will be used to anchor the demountable columns were installed inside the mat foundation before the concrete was cast. At the same time, the production of the demountable structural elements has started in the precast plant. By the day that the elements and the foundation reached the design strength, the elements were transported to the work site. The construction started with vertical structural elements. All the columns were labeled and placed near the mat foundation with the help of a mobile crane. Then, the columns were erected to their vertical positions, placed on base plates, and bolted to maintain their aligned positions. All demountable column elements were installed in less than 3 hours. Then, the beams were transferred to the site and placed between every 2 columns by simply sliding them through the beam-to-column connections. This operation was also a smooth one, and it took less than 3 hours. It should be noted that the columns and beams were produced with relatively large sizes, so it allows future uses in multi-story buildings. The structural system of the prototype building was finally completed by placing the slab elements on top of the beams. A black membrane was placed between the slab and the beam to fill any manufacturing spaces. This operation was also easy to apply, and the whole construction operation was finished in the course of 2 days. Besides the structural elements, the walls of this building were also made of precast panels, so the building can be fully demountable. The panels were also mounted with the help of a mobile crane, and each panel took a time around 15 minutes on average to be installed. This stage took also about 2 days to finish. And finally, we have our first fully demountable green building ready for the final stage of finishing construction work, then to be put in service.